Welcome back, Steve, Al Metal Driving, almetaldriving.com. You know the drill. So, today, 2-story home on a slab. I've been walking around trying to find out which damper it is, and it should be that one because, I mean, look at it, right? So, I'm gonna get some toys down and we're gonna get to cracking. All right, before I turn the machine on, hold on, like that ladder. This one's a little bit up here, guys. Yeah, this is definitely the dryer vent, no question about it. Oh man. That's just on the door. Oh man. Phew. This one might be good. We'll be back. Let's see. Okay. Not too awful bad. We'll clean that up. Let's see, like here. So, as you see, now you see, I have the dryer running. So, we're gonna check this airflow. See what we can come up with. So we're in the 12s. All right, not too bad. Let's get to cleaning it out. Sorry for the noise, guys. Leaf blowers everywhere. Alright, so there's the elbow, right there. So now, we'll go back to the elbow. Should be coming up soon. There it is. Alright, so we'll go past the elbow. And now we're going down into the laundry.
Now we got more work to do.
So you guys want to know what happens when you have ADHD? You forget tools, like something as simple as a screwdriver. And so you get to go all the way back up. Oh yeah, all the way back up. For this guy. Come with me, little man. I'll see you in the laundry. Here we go. All right, so like normal electric leaf blower, not gas. You don't want gas fumes in your home. So I'm gonna turn it on, but I'm not gonna plug it in yet. Then I'm gonna push the dryer back to hold it in place. Alright, so you see that? Feels like it's in there good. I'm gonna go over here. All right, and I know you guys are on the edge of your seat just waiting for what's next. And what's next is I gotta hook the dryer up, but I'm just letting that run for a minute. You know, if you're a homeowner, it's one of the best things you can do. Put a leaf blower in there. You need to leave it longer than I would. And of course, having it brushed out, that's gonna be the best. That's why I use a brush over compressed air, over a vacuum system. Although there are a lot of great companies out there that use vacuum systems and they swear by them. I mean, they absolutely swear by them. I guess it's just more what you're used to. Is that so difficult? All right, so now I'm just going to connect the flex. You'll see. Man, hit that like button. Only one thing left to do. Turn it on. Let's go check the airflow. Hear that machine cleaning itself out again? Guys, it's great. Let's go. All right, boys and girls, one more trip up. Let's go see what the airflow is reading now. And honestly, I can't remember, so I'll have to go back and look at watch the footage as well. So, turn her on. Okay. You guys can see that, but 19 something, close to 1900. Cool. I swore I saw 19, but oh well. It's still way better. So now I just need to try to clean this up. A lot of this is old and stained caulk, but some of it isn't. It's just, you know, it's almost impossible to make these things look brand new. I mean, look at it, dude. But if you guys are enjoying this content, please hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Not all dryer vents are like this. I have a lot more on my channel that go into many applications, because dryer vents are not universal. They're not all the same. See these little nipples? They just pop out. It allows you to get in there a lot better and get at least the clumps out. So I'm gonna finish this real quick. Be back. All right, boys and girls, now one thing left is put this back in there. And sorry, but I'm way up on the ladder, folks. But I'll try to give you a view now. See, and that stuff is just, that's old caulk. This stuff, it's not popping up, so, but, so you can see. All right, now, woo, don't look down to go and play inside. Whew. All right, that's gonna wrap this one up, boys and girls. Remember Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. It's hot, yo, it's summer. And again, please hit that like button, guys. Help me spread my message. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing that as well. Until next time, I have a lot of jobs coming up, all sorts of things. So stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one.